Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 10 minus 10, 10 minus 10 minus 10. Okay, now most people solve this question like 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then again 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 0 minus 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. And last priority is addition and subtraction. So here addition and subtraction also have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one subtraction, here is one subtraction, and here is one subtraction. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to, first we have to solve this part. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 minus 10 minus 10. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is subtraction. So we have to move from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So 0 minus 10 is equal to minus 10 minus 10. Okay. Now minus 10 is equal to minus 20. So the correct answer is minus 20. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.